George Smith at MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today I'm on a 325 Boston Whaler Conquest. I'd like to walk through the boat with you and show you some of the nice features this boat has to offer. So one of the other things that we've done in 2020-21 is we put a dive door in the 325 Conquest. It was not available on the 315. As you can see, as we do have the optional grill in the stern of the boat. Fish boxes up under the floor, fold-away seat on the side, which is optional. Obviously, this is a nice cruising and fishing combination boat. We have a live well in the corner, plenty of rod holders, rod racks, rocket launchers. We also have the power shade in the back to get you out of the sun. Last year it was a crank. So these seats reverse either direction, which is what last year's model had. As we walk forward on the boat, I'd like to point out some of the major changes. Full glass on both sides of the boat, the port and the starboard side, so whether you're sitting or standing up, you have great visibility. And of course, the windshield now is one pane, one piece, full windshield, plenty of great visibility. This area is air conditioned, of course. We have full electronics on this model, 2 Raymarines, the Mercury also gauges, VHF radio. These have power vents to open up the windshield, so if you want to get some natural air throughout the boat, it's nice and easy. This particular one has the outriggers. And as we go down below, let me just go ahead of you. This boat has sleeping for 4. There is an aft cabin, so mostly for children. The main panel to turn everything on is down here. It's got a full galley, the microwave, of course, the stove, and the refrigeration. This table will drop down, of course, to fill in for sleeping. And a wet head, which I just stood in it. It's 6 foot tall, so it's a nice size for showering and going to the bathroom. My name's George Smith, MarineMax Stuart. I can be reached at 772-287-4495 or my cell 908-675-6746.